Master anything faster. Unleashing the Feynman Technique with AI. Hello, awesome learner. Ever wondered how the smartest minds simplify complex ideas? What if you could not only learn anything, but master it to the point of teaching it effortlessly? Stay tuned as we dive into the powerful Feynman Technique using AI to turbocharge your learning process. Let's get started and learn how to master any concept using simple steps that anyone can follow. Step 1. Understanding the Feynman Technique. First, it's essential to understand what the Feynman Technique is. It focuses on explaining concepts in simple language to deepen understanding. The technique involves 4 key steps. Choose a concept. Pick a concept you want to learn about. Teach it to a child. Explain the concept as if you are teaching it to someone who has no prior knowledge of the subject, like a young child. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Identify gaps in your understanding. As you explain, notice areas where you struggle to use simple terms or concepts you can't explain clearly. These are your knowledge gaps. Review and simplify. Go back to your source materials or study further to fill in the knowledge gaps. Then, simplify the explanation further until you can convey the concept in basic terms. Step 2. Engaging with AI. Now that you understand the Feynman Technique, you can begin using it with AI. Here's how you can proceed. Select a topic. Choose a topic that you want to understand better. It could be anything from a scientific concept to a historical event. Ask AI for an explanation. Request AI to provide a detailed explanation of the topic. For example, you might say, "Explain how photosynthesis works in plants." Explain it back to AI. Using the explanation you received, try to teach the concept back to AI. Pretend AI is a student who doesn't know anything about the topic. You might start with, "Let me explain photosynthesis to you in simple terms." Ask AI for feedback. Once you've given your explanation, ask AI to point out any inaccuracies or areas where the explanation could be clearer. For example, could you tell me if my explanation of photosynthesis missed any key points or was confusing in any parts? Step 3. Refine and simplify. Based on the feedback from AI, you can address misunderstandings. Revise any parts of the explanation that were incorrect or unclear. Simplify further. Try to simplify the explanation even more, ensuring it could be understood by someone without any background in the topic. Repeat the process. Continue this process with different concepts or go deeper into the topic, using the Feynman Technique to solidify and expand your understanding. By engaging with AI in this way, you can effectively use the Feynman Technique to enhance your learning and understanding of various subjects. This iterative process of teaching, getting feedback, and refining explanations helps to solidify knowledge and uncover any lingering misunderstandings. Now it's time to put this into practice. Come on, give it a try. See you in the next video.